dive in. So we talked about the first week of school, right? We had a review that for past tense, we have the big three, right? Kamas, Katak, Shva, and then so you have Katati, Katata. What happened with Shamra and Shamru? I don't have room for all three, right? All three vowels because my last letter already has a vowel. So therefore, someone gets left out. Instead of the middle vowel gets left behind, and the minor is the middle child gets left behind. It's very simple to do this for Niphal. For Niphal, all you need to do is throw on a nun theory shva. Okay? Nun theory shva, and actually a lot of it rhymes with the word Niphal. So you take the word Niphal, right, and you basically take this word, the one that's going to rhyme. So if you have a word, I'll just show you the term, and then I'll go back. Okay? So Niphal, Nizkar. Nizkar, Niphal, you see it rhymes? Nizkar, Niphal, right? Rhymes. So a lot of the chart actually rhymes. But the way you do it, if you want to be a little more like mathematical in your system, is you take whatever you had in past tense kal and you put on a non-theory shva. Okay? So what happens? That's what happens. I'm going to take my non-theory shva, I'm going to try to put it on, and what's going to happen? I have a conflict. So what happens to my kamatzer? It goes away. So I'm left with nishmati. Nishmata. What does nishmati mean?
I was here.
Good. I was heard. Nishmata? You were heard. Okay? So, okay? So that's what I have. And if you look, it kind of rhymes with Niphal. Okay? How about when I have, let's say, a situation where I have, let's say, a she. How much I have the egg? Or an u at the end, right? So I start with this middle vowel. The Kazakh isn't there anymore, right? So I have, and I try to find my non-theory shva. So the same thing as I did before, just the kamatz goes away, right? And I'm going to be left with a word like nishme'ah. What's nishme'ah?
She was her.
But she was her. Nishme'u?
They were her.
They were her. Good. Okay, so they were heard, and you'll see I don't have my pataf there because of the middle child command, right, the middle vowel, and I have my kamatz is gone because of the non-theory shva. So Miss Karti. So I was remembered. Good, Miss Karta. Yeah. You remember Miss Kart. You female remember Miss Kart. If you look, right, all these lines Niphal, right? All rhyme with Niphal. So that's a pretty good trick, right? And I just take basically whatever I had in this column, in the active column, and I just add on, what would I add on to it? A nun theory shva. And I'm pretty much done. When I have just a she or they, it's a little bit different with the nikudot just because I started with different nikudot in kaf. Big three. Black, kaf, big three of my suffix. How do you say I was taken? So I literally take what I had above, right? And I'm just throwing on my nun theory shva, you drop the kamatz, and then no kafti, I can't throw it. Okay? No kafti. How about he wrote? What's he wrote? Katat. And my big three. Okay, how do you say it was written? Niphal. I just take what I have here, and I'm just, replacing the commands with a shva, no theory shva. Niphal. And I just have a big and have that change. Yes. How do you say we heard? Shamanu. Good. Shamanu. I said we were heard. Nishmanu.